Let's have a quick look with two different brands of the same model kit. The Sunsin brand Midnight Coating and the Changlong brand Twilight Coating. For the most part, both of these brands looks very decent. What can I say about these are, Changlong has slightly better plastic quality. Assembly and fittings also feel better with Changlong. I also feel Changlong is more solid, but maybe because I just freshly built this. Both have crisp enough details and I can say the difference are minimal to none. Sunsin is the cheaper brand here. Both are good kits, but if you can get the Changlong, go for it as it is the overall better brand.